It looks something like this.
Hello gorgeous, welcome back to my channel. Right now we're in the middle of a quarantine and I have been trying to get creative at home on how to do my own beauty services, which kind of sucks because when I go to get beauty treatments, I actually love sitting back and getting my nails done and getting a facial and whatnot because it's just my chance to unplug and just relax. So now I'm kind of trying to figure out how I can do them on my own. However, if you're watching this in the future, maybe these are just things that you're wanting to do on your own, which that's totally fine too. I am so obsessed with lash extensions. I've talked about them so much in the past. I love them, but my eyes just do not agree with that long wear glue. It doesn't. I'm allergic to it. So I found a brand called Flutter that you can actually do them at home. This is not sponsored, just a brand that I've been wanting to try. I'm gonna test them out and see how it goes. I'm applying them myself and it's much, much, much more budget friendly than getting your lashes done professionally. So let's see how this goes. I'm going with the Wink. They have 3 different ones. They have the originals, they have the shorties, and then they have the Wink. Look like this, and they come in little pieces, which I've talked about in the past, how I really, really like cutting my lashes into sections because I feel like they're so much easier to apply. And that's just a hack that makeup artists have been doing for years because a strip, when you put a strip on, it's much more harder. It's harder to work with. I love my magnetic lashes. I've talked about them a million times. I still love them, but this is just something I've been wanting to try because, I mean, you wake up with lashes. So this is the glue that they sell. It's called Lash Lock by Glad Girl. I'd never heard of this brand before. I don't know if this is like a Flutter exclusive or what it is, but it's not Flutter name brand, which is strange. Anyways, so it says that this glue will extend the life of these lashes. Instead of a 1 to 2 day lash last, this will offer perfect hold for 3 to 5 days. Goes. Okay, first what I'm gonna do is I took my first section off and I took all of the glue. They say to remove all of the glue from the band, and then I trimmed up the edges so that the edges aren't hanging over. And then I'm gonna go ahead and curl my eyelashes. Okay, so I've got my lashes curled. This is a different application than I've ever done before because we're actually going to apply them underneath the lashes. So I've got my little lash portion here. I'm gonna take a little bit of glue and put it right along the edge of the lash line, and then I'm also going to apply it on the top part of the lashes so that it adheres to my natural lashes. So, ooh, got too much. Let dry for about 20 to 30 seconds and then apply. So what I'm gonna do now is take my left hand, because I'm right-handed, I'm holding these with my tweezers, and I'm going to stamp them. I'm gonna put this on the magnifying side. Right onto the edge. Well, that didn't work. Try again. Man, it's harder than it looks, guys. Trying not to get flustered here. Okay, so I've got 2 lash sections on, and honestly, it's so much harder than I thought it was gonna be. And it maybe it's just a learning curve because it's the first time I've ever done it, but like I feel like they're not adhering, which is really frustrating because I'm doing exactly what the instructions say I should do. So I'm taking my tweezers and kind of clamping down, trying to get them to like mold in with my real lashes and see if that helps. Okay, got this eye done. So it is a little bit more time consuming than I thought, but honestly, it's like one of those things that like once you get going, you get your vibe and then like you're good. They're very, very natural looking, I feel like. What do you guys think? I think they're pretty. All right, I'm gonna do the other eye. Basically, it's the exact same step over and over and over again. It's section after section after section. You just remove the glue. I kind of like molded them a little bit and I trimmed up the edges if they needed it. Some pieces didn't, and then I just glued them on and that was it. So I'm really excited to see how long these last. They're super lightweight. Like I don't even feel them on my eyes at all. Like other lashes, you immediately feel them and like your eye feels weighed down. These are very, very lightweight. I'm very impressed by that. All right, what do you guys think? They look pretty good. The inside corners are, in my opinion, the hardest, but once I got past the challenge of getting the very first piece on, I was kind of in the groove and I just went boom, 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 boom. And then the inside corners, for whatever reason, just, they're the hardest. And this one on this side is irritating my eye right now, and I don't know what it is, but I can really feel it. And I think it's because I kind of got a little, I hit my eyeball with the lash as I was applying it, which that's never a good thing. But overall, they're really pretty. They're kind of subtle and a little bit more natural than I typically would like, only because I like really thick and a lot of volume to my lashes, but they're pretty. I mean, they look like lash extensions. There's no doubt about it, and much more affordable. So the Wink, which is the ones that I did, they're $29.99 for 3 pairs. So that's $10 a pair, and the glue is $5. That's kind of crazy that you can have lashes for $10 and they last up to 5 days. That's pretty awesome. So I'm excited to see how long they last. If you've used Flutter Habit, let me know in the comments below what you think. If you've used another at-home lash extension brand that you feel like has lasted really well, let me know in the comments, because I'm willing to give them a try as well. But overall, I give these an A+ so far. We'll see how they wear. Stay tuned to my Instagram stories because I'll post about them daily. But all right, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and let me know what you want to see from me next on my channel. And thank you so much for watching. I love y'all so much. Au revoir. Okay, first up, we're gonna clean this all out. We're gonna get the crap out of here, except for these baskets over here, because like I said, I actually like these, and my china up there.